simultaneously encompassing the quickest, fastest, and most powerful production version of the RS6 Avant to date, the 2025 RS6 Avant GT. Can accelerate from 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds and features a top track speed of 190 miles per hour. Thanks to its 4.0 LTFSI biturbo V8 producing 621 horsepower and 627 pounds-ft of torque. Massive 16.5 and 14.6-inch 423/170ths of a millimeter F are carbon ceramic brakes come standard and help keep such prodigious velocities in check. Furthermore, the driving dynamics and handling capabilities of the RS6 Avant are extended thanks to a unique three-way adjustable coilover suspension and a quattro sport rear differential, each of which have been expressly optimized for application in the RS6 Avant GT. Each US-bound RS6 Avant GT is finished in Arcana white paint and features the red, grade black race heritage livery and RS badging. In addition, all models receive exclusive 22 six-arm design, Avis wheels painted in ibis white, a sleek pass-through roof edge rear spoiler, redesigned front fascia and lower splitter, side sills and rear diffuser, and a unique carbon fiber front fenders and hood. Inside, the heritage-inspired exterior is paired with an equally unique and expressive interior concept. Features unique to the RS6 Avant GT include supportive RS Sports seats wrapped in Volcona, leather with an RS6 GT logo, featuring red and copper double stitching, and complemented by crimson red seatbelts, floor mats with RS6 GT lettering, Dynamica covered dashboard, center console, and upper door panels, red and copper double stitching on the Alcantara steering wheel, sides of center console, center armrest, and door armrests. All RS6 Avant GT models are completed with a center console badge displaying the RS6 Avant GT logo and exclusive serialized numbering EXA660, ensuring the vehicle's provenance and exclusivity as a future collectible. The idea of the Audi RS6 Avant GT goes back to the Apprentice Project RS6 GT concept from 2020. 12 apprentices learning to work as bodywork and vehicle construction mechanics, automotive painters, and tooling mechanics worked on the project for 6 months with the support of Audi Design. They took most of their inspiration from the legendary Audi 90 Quattro IMSAGTO racing car from 1989. The single-frame grille and air intakes of the RS6 Avant GT are finished entirely in high-gloss black, which makes the car appear even lower and wider. Vertical blades in the front apron, a new intake grille, and a powerful front splitter integrated into the bumper enhance the sharpened look. For the first time, Audi Sport GmbH is not only using a fully redesigned hood, but is also manufacturing it from carbon fiber. Like the hood, the fenders are made entirely of carbon fiber for the first time, integrating air outlets behind the 22-inch wheels to reduce air pressure in the wheel arches and improve brake cooling. His side profile is defined by inserts in the side skirts. Exterior mirror covers in glossy carbon, and the 6-spoke wheel design made exclusively for the RS6 Avant GT. At the rear, this special edition features black RS6 GT lettering, a tailgate specially adapted to the design with a visually lowered loading edge, and a functional diffuser with a vertically centered reflector that makes the car appear even wider. The distinctive double-wing pass-through spoiler was inspired by motorsport and taken almost one-to-one from the Apprentice's concept car. For the first time in the history of the RS6 Avant, the roof rails had been removed for an even flattering, sportier silhouette. The roof rail delete, ceramic brakes, and carbon fiber components all helped contribute to a roughly 40 kilograms, 88 pounds weight reduction when compared to the RS6 Avant performance, contributing to its 0.1 second quicker 0 to 60 miles per hour time. Now let's be quiet. Enjoy the ride RS6 GT.